Well, I've gotten another project. It's a free push mower that has a front wheel drive, but as you can see, this little wheel hasn't been doing so good and got damaged pretty bad. So we'll have to replace that for sure, but first I want to make sure that it is actually a good mower. I know I checked the oil when I first got it. Oop, there, you can see it's really, really low, so that doesn't give me a lot of hope. And the gas tank is not exactly the cleanest. I smelled it. It smells fresh. Not horrible, but you can see just the sheer filth. Like, that's just not going to allow it to run right at all. So we'll have to address that. And potentially the carb, because I have no idea how well it is, but it does seem to be pretty decent. I don't have any fuel in it, so we're just gonna give it a little shot of ether after adding just a little bit of oil, because I do want to protect it and I don't want to kill it. So we're gonna check spark, check the spark plug, check the tighten that up maybe. But let me get some things ready and get going on checking everything out. Alright, let's see, can you tell if there's going to be a spark there? Hope I don't pull it out of the frame. I don't know if you saw that, because I can't see it at all. So I'll check the video and see what it shows. Alright, well, it helps if you clamp down the mechanism for spark, or so it doesn't kill itself. So let's try that again. Do you guys see any spark? I hear it. So that's good. We have spark. Let me add some oil. We're going to shoot a little fuel into there and then see if it runs at all. So bring you back in a second. Alright, let's see if it starts. Squirt some fuel down the carb, not the actual intake or the spark plug socket hole. So we'll see if it actually runs. Sounded pretty good. Really did. Almost to a point where I feel like I could do it a little bit more and see if I can keep it running. Let's see. It's a little harder to do one-handed. Where's my clamp? I guess I'm happy with that. I'm going to actually not do that, and we're going to tackle why the drive cable doesn't really feel like it's functioning correctly. So, probably due to the belt being so burnt out and loose. But we will turn it on its side and have at it and look. So let me get you set up in the right position. So I've disconnected the spark plug just for safety, because I don't want it kicking off and starting on me. So let's, for one, just take a look at how straight the blade is. Fairly straight, worn down pretty good, but could be good at sharpening. This in here is where the belt is, and there is a bolt holding it on right here, and that should be it. So let me get a socket. and unscrew this. See, there should be one more right there. Whew. Jeez, dusty. Cover's taken off. So let me get it turned right side up. I don't see any issue under here, except for potentially the belt is loose and it does need to be replaced. But that is something that I can just go buy and get a new one because I don't have it. So down here is where the pulley goes to drive the front wheels. And as you can see, I can easily pinch the belt together. So I really think that belt's just shot. See, it's just not tightening out much. And, I mean, there might be some adjustments on this cable mechanism that might make it a little bit more useful. But I think that belt is just loose, sadly. But the good news is the pulley looks pretty good, and it kind of feels like it wants to drive. Oh. No? Yeah, the gearbox is skipping. Oh boy. Oh well. So we'll know not to spend any money on that. So we're trying to do this for cheap. I might take that apart and look into it. But for right now, I think I'm gonna blow it off a little bit, clean it up, and call it good for the night because it does run and it just needs some parts right now. Alright, a little bit of a noise warning here because I am gonna be blowing compressed air. So it's probably gonna be loud, and this microphone on this camera is not the best, but hopefully it won't be too bad. Well, now that's all clean, let's see how it goes and how well it starts and if this gearbox is actually fried or not. Yep. Has no front drive, which is a bummer. Oh well, it still is a good push mower and it will work perfect for some people. So, off to the next. If you could, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what I could do better. Different order, different format, something that I can make it a little bit more entertaining. All right, thank you guys.